So let's say you've got a scan from a dentist and it's missing a portion or doesn't have entirely what you need, so therefore you have to request a new scan from the dentist. Well, the dentist sends you a new scan, however, it's got a problem of its own in where this tooth right here, for example, is not anatomically correct, as you can clearly see. So you don't want to have to ask the dentist for another new scan because now both of your scans have issues and you really want to avoid having to ask for another new scan. What you can do in this case is you can take the good parts from each scan and you can patch them together, and you can do that really, really quickly in Meshmixer. I'm going to show you how. So what you want to do is you want to pick the scan that has most of the good areas. So I would say this one being that it has the full arch, it has all the teeth, it only has this one little area right here where it's not so great. I'm going to choose my other scan to patch this tooth into because this tooth on my other scan is intact, however we're missing the full arch. So I want to use that other scan, but I want to use this tooth on this scan. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this scan my target because I want to use this good tooth as a mold to fix my other tooth. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select this little magnet right here to turn this one into my target. And then I'm going to take my what I called a bad scan because it has the tooth that we want to fix, and I'm going to use my sculpt tool. I'm going to go to my tract brush, and you're going to make sure that your brush is slightly bigger than the surface area of what you're trying to fix. And then all you have to do is just build into that mold. You can turn up your strength if you need to. I don't know why my strength is like so far down. But it takes the topology, and if your topology, if your resolution on your mesh is not very high, you can always just remesh it and then try again. What I like to do as well is I will smooth it out a bit and then I'll just do it again, smooth it out a bit and do it again, just so that I can make sure that like it's filling in there quickly and accurately. And you can see it doesn't go past that that cast or that mold that we created by using it as a target. So I can keep clicking here and building and building and building, but it's not going to ever go past that because it only fills into that cast. And so now if we turn off our target and turn off that mesh, you can see that now we have the full arch and we have this tooth intact, and we no longer need to request a new scan from the dentist.